adores being around people, so he'll always greet anybody with a big hug and sloppy kiss. He's not a great fan of animals when he's out and about, so he will need to be the only pet in the home. However, he's really manageable. He's not the sort of dog which goes looking for trouble. He's an active dog, so he'd suit an energetic family, maybe with older children, so he can have lots of fun with them. He's also house trained and he loves to travel in the car. Ozzy may need his new owners around all the time initially, just so he can settle into his new home. So if you think you can offer this handsome, lovely, affectionate boy a new home, please contact Dogtress Leeds.